jazz. Jazz, jazz, jazz. Bro, we've been just... Bro, look. Shit. That was yesterday. Right. And I completely messed up. Okay, so today, yeah, equalize formed. Probably. So I assume and I guess and most likely we are gonna reach for these and have daily CPS so that's like a target. If we today gonna reach that point, I don't know. We'll see. AQ is way stronger. That's an isn't he? Yeah. I'm gonna be tape reading probably for the rest of the week. Why? You might ask. I'm gonna be transparent. Yesterday I fucked up. Fine, the AM session market, the price action was good, right? Very enjoyable, to be honest. But due to my emotions, my trading, my stop loss management, my trade management overall.
Fördjupa dig i musiken du älskar. Ta med dig dina spellistor överallt med nedladdningar offline. Eller spela upp din aktuella favoritlåt om och om igen. Utan begränsningar. Få all musik utan att höra ljudannonser på Spotify Premium. Tryck på bannern för mer information.
400 something, 400-500. Until I kept going, didn't really close the shorts and usually don't do that often, but rarely, never, kinda. And I ended up blowing my account, and as a punishment, which I never put on myself. Punishment. Something I think I need or I am in need of is to take a step back and just watch and observe and learn to not do anything, really. I think this is a good opportunity, to be honest. So I want to see high prices, right? Yeah, and I'll do that for the rest of the week. Opening up, leaving up, opening range gap, tapping, taking equal lows. Will we close above? Yeah, because buy side taken, leaving equal highs. Look at this today. Okay, we're going for it. It's gonna be a volatile day. It's gonna be a day. I feel like. Congratulations, you can use advanced. Yeah. Do you know if you're allowed to stream trading crypto and all that on Twitch? Is it possible? I mean, that's a civvy and a busy in one. I'm not used to it doing. Futures trading. That's it, right? Yes. Nah. Yeah, I'm actually watching ES as well. NQ futures trading. Yeah, I'm actually watching ES. Why is it doing that? Oh. Rip. Rip. And I'ma see if actually we have even more. That could be possible actually. What is that? I'm just trying to measure out. Where's it? Holy. I mean, is it gonna rip lower? Then it will probably. I mean, look at this on the 1 hour. Kind of clean it is, I would say. Looking at it 1 hour, the daily candle has retraced a lot. Look at this. Boom! Wrong. Do y'all usually trade NQ or do you NQ or ES?
Behöver du något som värmer i vinter? Kom in till oss på Espresso House och smaka på vår drink of the month. Just nu får du en liten vanillatte för 39 kronor. Bara den här månaden. Och nästa månad, ja, då väntar en ny oemotståndlig smak att upptäcka. Välkommen till Espresso House.
I remember I started with Forex. Gold. Then I got myself into all these like whatever they called, Euro, USD, USDE, blah 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 blah. But there were too many. There were too many. Look at those wicks. Alright, because we're in a 4 hour. Can you hide you know what the purpose will be to hide it. But I mean, if we displace through CE or like push through opening range gap, I do kind of expect us to go CB consumer confidence, which manufacturing index, President Trump speaks at 10:00. It's later. That's way later. Wait, pause. S&T. Where's the first? It's that one. It got disrespected like. Wow. I mean, I kind of do like that, those wicks, for us to be bullish. But I want to see. path ain't really clear, so I wouldn't do anything. On the way down, we just tapped it, wicked it, right side, wicked it, came back down. This is the first time we retraced to a area.
Gotta stay focused, show up on my highs and my lows.
Wasn't that lo-fi? Nice week.
Stream only for the Sam.
I mean, you have... If it close above there...
För alla familjer som redan delar badrum, tv-soffa, hallspegel, förkylningar, drömmar, drama och chipspåse.
Ja, men vad är det här? Det är bara en massa bösbitar kvar ju.
Dela abonnemang också med Telenor familj. Ni kan vara upp till 8 som delar. Välkommen till Telenor.
Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. That's a miss. Okay, I got it. Look at that. Boom! Is that active order block? Clean. 2 minutes. Taps it, wicks it. 3 minutes or the block. I guess that would be a valid buy. This makes it nice enough. ES is already above. In fact, it didn't even. ES never took. That's also the city. What the fudge? If I took that trade, right, I was 100% sure it will do exactly like they did. I would probably like that, right? Yeah, because I wouldn't want it to come back there. But I would immediately do my stop. I mean, some days Probably like today, it would probably work, but most of the time, like yesterday, it would just fudge me over, right? So I have to learn to trust, to build confidence with what I'm doing. And I think also analyze the price action and react to the price action more, maybe in a better way. Do y'all see this? How it happened? Wicked CE. Rarely will come back. What is it? Three times? 3 touch points? So it would probably not. Yeah. I'ma shut up. Macro time. It will repair. Immediate rebalance. During the macro, will probably hit equal highs or yeah. That's what I expect. And it will not. I've noticed sometimes, like PD arrays are areas where I want price to come back to and bounce off. When market is strong, it rarely does or never does, right? It's like here, for example. Okay, I expect price to come back here, bounce from there, and then I want price to bounce, let's say, over here as well. But then, as of now, it is, for example, it is market time, strong bullish price action, and it won't come back. It will just like boom, and I miss a trade. Right? Now what do you even do in that situation? Either way, you have like okay, touch point, first entry, second entry. That's how I see it now. Third. Huge stop loss, by the way. Still a good one. 3. Is that the breaker? We use that one. It's not even gonna come back. I promise you, it will just like run. It won't come back. Man, this is magnifique. You all see this? 1, 2. Like here, I wouldn't even expect the second one. Maybe. And maybe not. Take that one. Come on. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You all see this? Magnifique. I mean, to be honest, what would that be? Boom. a 4. Equal highs. Tapped. Over there. That would be a beautiful ass trade. It would be. Oh, maybe I'll take that one. Not me. Not me. Wait, are you able to? To be honest, my analysis today was on point. Good job. Good freaking job to me. Do y'all expect us to this price action we will probably take? It would not surprise me, right? It would not. This week. Previous monthly high. Equal highs. Take 955. Not even a single retracement. I was right. That was our only entry. Above. Boom. Didn't even come back to breaker. I mean, in what? Why do I have a weird, not a weird feeling, but I have a feeling, I don't know if it's good or bad, but it kind of feels taking accountability for the mistakes or the fuck ups I did yesterday kind of feels good. Is that weird? Seeing this great opportunity flash before my eyes today, just because the mistakes I made yesterday. But I mean, look at it. These are the market conditions I want to be in. Right? Quick. Zoom, zoom. Right? Perfect. Clean. And to be able to recognize it and see it as well. Even better. I think you get a different perspective on things when you don't have money on the table. I think you see things more clear. Take a step back. Good. those 2 days, man. We're gonna rip the rest of the week. Or we're gonna slow down. What is it? A small reversal in the range tomorrow, then Thursday and Friday. Rip even higher. Or we rip higher today, tomorrow, Thursday, maybe Thursday, Friday. If not Friday, reversal within the range. I don't know. Guess we'll see. And the 50 mini candle closes above. I mean, sometimes I don't even like the 15-minute candle to close above for strong confirmation that we're gonna go higher. I'd rather like let it close below, retrace it a little bit, and then rip through this reversal. I guess both works, right? It all comes down to how you align yourself. And I'm kind of pissed of today, man. It is what it is. Who took this trade though? Even if you took the shorts, buy side taken, goes down, short, down there.
Spela musiken som passar för stunden. Oavsett om det handlar om att skruva upp feststämningen eller varva ner på kvällen, kan du sätta ihop dagens soundtrack med reklamfri musik och nedladdningar offline på Spotify Premium. Tryck på bannern för mer information.
I mean, at this point I would be done. I would be done for today. Quit. Ain't overstaying the welcome, right? Still do wanna see higher prices. Yep. Equal highs. Double equal highs, right? Higher time for equal, yeah. That's the draw liquidity. But yes. In the best world, you would take probably first entry or the second entry, right? Take profit here, right? Let the runner go. In the ideal world, right? Which will, to be honest, probably happen because it is only 10, and a 10 is usually a key time for reversal, right? And it doesn't seem like that's gonna happen. Since the 50-minute close strong, seems like it's gonna rip higher. How would you use the first represented fair value gap today though? Is that the only? Price opens up, wicks it, takes out buy side, internal buy side, and it creates a BC, and it displays it, never comes back. I mean, that's the only point, touch point. I mean, bullish this is the price action I love. If I recognize my own flaws, though, and let's say I took that one. At the first wick, and it would like that, I would probably immediately do that. And later on I would probably realize that wick is an indication of a strong bullish market, and it would probably, okay, if it comes back, it would probably do the same thing, right? And then the second one goes, probably do that, and immediately after that wick closes like that, I will bro, I have to learn. I don't know. It is. And why is it like? It's like this for me, right? You're in a trade, first trade. Trust it, it's gonna go good. It's do this, that. Okay, let it go. And compare. How do I even explain this? How do I explain it? The more you're down, the less you give a shit, right? The less scared you become, because, okay, I'm down one trade. This trade is gonna do it, right? You do it, and you don't feel as anxious, you don't care as much leaving your stop line like that, compared for it to be the first trade where you would immediately see it goes and because you don't want to lose. Why is it like, why? You know, I don't get it. That the breaker? Is that the breaker? Or is that the breaker? Okay, it's all of them all. But I mean, still, this would also be like, once we took equal highs, I mean, my stop would probably be. That's also should you, I guess there's no right or wrong, but you're in that trade, take profit, right? And once it rips properly, that you move it to break even. So it would probably look like that until that candle closes and you know for certain it won't come back. Do you leave it at like barely, or do you trail it? What do you get most of? Let it run, take profits, partials at your area, in this case over here, right? And still leave it intact. And if it comes down, it will probably take sell side. That, I mean, I guess that's a good point as well, right? To know if you're drawing liquidity, higher drawn liquidity, your targeted direction is invalid, right? gotta stay for that. Or can anyone tell me if price reached? I expect it to. Right, that's gonna get invalidated. CB it retraced price retraced to the 5 minute. That's 5 min high. Let's do this quick. CB, okay, 1, 2, you will probably close, and if we will close, that act as a breaker. Can you do it like this? And if that acts as a breaker, do like that. I don't even know if that's a valid trade, to be honest. It would probably. Yep. Look this. Let's see this in action. Okay. That now becomes a breaker. Boom. Let's leave that intact. Let's actually do this. It would. We know price is strong. It will not come back to the 5 minute. I don't expect it to. So if we do this, bam. Let's see. This is a continuation trade I will probably take. It. That's now an inverse. Tap it. I mean, it's strong, right? I mean, will we be in? Yep, we would. There we go. Breaker 1 minute, tap 5 minute, wicks it. That's the first PD array. Leaving my stop as it is. Tape reading. I mean, when you think 3 PD arrays, where would 3 PD arrays fail? Do you do it on the way up, like 1, 2, and 3? Or do you include like breaker, inverse, 5 minute, all of them? All of them, right? Okay, so I'm doing 2 nice wicks. 3 times. Touch point. Tap the inverse. Look at that. Look at that. close above. There would be an entry. Confirmation for higher prices. Not guaranteed, but strong confirmation. So, I mean, would there be any re-entry? Where's my first? There's my second. Let's see. Just for the sake of it. Just for the sake of it. Technically, one trade a day keep the doctors away, or one trade a day keep the anxiety, the headache, a lot of emotions away, I would say. Look at those wicks, man. One, two, three, four. 5 touches. Look at that. Fly, baby, fly. Fly, baby, fly, fly, fly away. Do I consider ES at this point? I haven't even watched ES. Ain't no way it's gonna retrace all the way down there. And if it is, what am I supposed to tell him? We're done. Bro, I would start to get a little bit anxious looking at this. After this time, I would already want to see it repair. Bro, it's like low, no. Fly, baby, fly, 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 fly. When do I trade my stop though? Once I take that high. Immediate rebalance, close above. Bro, am I psychic? What the frick? Close above. Ah, the first. Valuable. Then you have to. Yeah, you close. Yep. Look at that. The high on that one. Close above, make it high, and I don't want price to come back to the breaker. So that's probably be the time in price. Who's up on the day? Who's down? Not that it matters. Who really gives a shit? But did you follow your rules or not? I guess that's what matters. Form good habits. Habitats. Hobbits. Ooh, close above. Close above. Close above. Okay, so boom. Immediate rebalance. Close above that one. Balance, close above that one. Immediate rebalance, close above it. Immediate rebalance, close above it. ES is starting to follow as well. I mean, technically, this is just like another possibility that I would probably jump into, right? But I mean, still. Leaving runners at this point up here. And that is also, that's invalid. That is actually also a point. I'm answering my own question that I questioned before. When do I trade my stop? Do I leave my stop all the way down all the time? Break even, or do I trade it, or whatever?
Tjena, det är Reese Frank och jag har precis släppt min singel Catch and Release och den finns nu på Spotify för dig att lyssna på och njuta av.
That's a good point. Stop here. Because if it validates this part, it's probably reverse. Do I go higher, lower? Nah, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Okay, the 5-minute close above the breaker. So not this candle, but the next one. Because I kind of saw this. left. All these. Probably for this. Is here. With that. At this point, we'll stop a little bit. What would Bryce do? What would Bryce do? Do we all have a good jazz playlist? Yeah, you know, so in this case I would be stop that. Seeing it from another perspective now, that's the breaker, right? And why I got stopped out probably was because the ultimate OTE levels. The OTE aligns up there. But I mean, still, like, it's a huge ass gap. And I mean, would you really want that big of a stop loss? Nah, bro. Nah. That's, I mean, and still it is. Think about it. Where were 3 PD arrays failing? Breaker is 1. That is 2, and the breaker is usually 1, 2, and the breaker. So I mean, yeah. OD. I don't know what to do. Wait. Stay safe. Still won't. I expect price to reach up there. Anyway, good tape reading, nice price action. Stay safe out there, and yeah. Until the next one. Bye.